So guys, I have reached Bangalore right now. I didn't shoot yesterday night because we were very tired, so I just went and I just slept. So you know, we are staying at Raghu's place, and I just thought I should show you the place because it is very interesting. So yeah, this is the house. This is the entrance. See guys, I didn't expect the house to be so good. These are the stairs upstairs, and there are lightings everywhere also installed. So this is one bedroom, this is the second bedroom. So actually my bike's rear tire is gone. There are the radials are visible as I told you yesterday. So I think I might change my rear tire. So today I'm in Bangalore complete day, so maybe I'll change my tire. So I'll go in the market and I'll see what better tire. I think the Michelin tire is the best for me. Let's see. These are bikes, and I just wanted to show you the condition of the tire. See, all the radials are visible now. So I guess it is gone. See, from here also they are visible. The front tire will work fine for now, right? But the rear tire is gone. I can't trust this tire now. See, the radials are coming out. No man, I need to change it. So finally I'm changing my tire. So I asked on my Facebook page, and people commented that you should change it, and also yeah, I think I should change it. So let's see, I am going for Michelin Street Radial because it is a touring tire, and also not that costly, and it lasts longer. So yeah, that is a better choice for me because Metzeler's and Pirelli, they last less, they cost like way more than Michelin, and they are more of a track tool tire, not a touring tire. So I guess we have reached the point. This is the shop. Well, let's see how the things work out. The tire चाहिए था. So finally a new tire. This is Michelin Pilot Street Radial. Probably the best touring tire that you can get. Okay, so I've changed my tire in this shop, and yeah, I don't know, now there is a break-in period for this tire, of course, so I need to be careful while driving. Okay, it feels a little bit different. It feels like the back side of the bike is little bit on the upper side. Because I'm done with the new tire. I got the new tire, and also I adjusted the sprocket, chain sprocket in the KTM service center. Now the bike is under wash. Okay, bike is good now. The tire, this is the new tire. Seems good. Need to brake in, so I need to be careful now for a couple of 100 kilometers. So guys, we are going to MG Road. So Raghu is riding right now. I'm his pillion. It brings a tear to my eyes. To my
Chetan, Raghu's brother, little brother, on his Apache RTR, I guess 160, right? 160 ABS? Okay, no ABS. So those who don't know, even Bangalore has a metro. I don't know how much kilometers they have, but they have. So we are at MG Road, Mahatma Gandhi Road, metro station. The area is pretty good, but the problem is there is too much of traffic. Looking good, except the traffic problem and the cops are. So the rules in Bangalore seem to be pretty strict. Even the pillion needs a helmet. Compulsorily he needs a helmet.
So we are trying momos, Bangalore ke momos. So guys, we are in Puram. This is a food street. So guys, we are eating Paddu. So 30 rupees one plate. It is more or less like in Marathi we create this, but it is small one. Appe. It is more or less appe. So if you are Marathi, you know what I am talking about. Code bade. Let's try. It is crispy, but there is softness inside. There is softness inside, right? This is our curd. There is curd inside. So guys, I met two awesome people here. Foodie people. Girish. And your name is? Prakash. So they are here to eat food, street food of Bangalore, and I just love the food, and he asked me like what I'm shooting for. So do subscribe to my channel.
Twistato masala cheese
60 rupees. Let's try it. It's like thick chips with cheese on it. Nice. What tight है? So this is Mawa Malai Kulfi, 40 rupees. Very soft. ऐसा लग रहा है मैं मलाई खा रहा हूँ, ठंडा मलाई, चिल्ड मलाई. It is good guys. So guys, this was Puram in Bangalore. If you visit Bangalore, do visit this place if you are foodie like me, and even if you are not a foodie, you should visit this place because this has got some serious food, man. You should visit it. And all the Bangalore people, amazing place guys, amazing place. Thank you Bangalore, thanks a lot. I hope you like this video. Please do hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet. Don't forget to check out my Mumbai to Kanyakumari remaining videos. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.